Hello friends, in this short and basic video, I will show you how to download and install MSI Motherboard drivers for Windows 11 or 10. So simple and basic way. Visit this link msi.com/support/download. Now simple and easy way guys, just select your product line like motherboards and product type like MPG service, product model like MPG B file and search it. Now here select driver, select Windows 11 or Windows 10 and download. And click on save. Now once downloading complete, extract this zip file. Open this folder and right click on it and run as administrator. So this way guys, you can download and install. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.